Aloha and welcome to a beautiful sunset evening here in Wailea, Maui. This is Jeremy Stice of Hawaii Life Vacations greeting you from one of our newest vacation rental offerings, Wailea Ekolu 1605, located in the heart of the Wailea Resort, looking out towards a beautiful ocean view. This magnification level is quite accurate as to what your eyes will do. Beautiful setting amongst a very lush array of plumeria trees, sprawling grass lawns, bougainvillea, coconut palms, quite beautiful. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath vacation rental residence very comfortably sleeps 6. You see the outdoor grill here to enjoy some of Maui's fresh steaks and seafood. This residence has undergone a substantial facelift with some very nice professionally staged decor. Pull-out sleeper sofa here. Brand new furniture all around. Open concept. Granite countertops here in the kitchen to accompany the stainless steel appliances. Beautiful ocean view from the sink itself. Bar seating for 2. Lots of cabinet and pantry storage. Split air conditioning with a unit in the living area as well as each bedroom. 3/4 bath, single granite vanity. Here we have our beach closet, an additional storage, and then the walk-in shower. Clothes dresser here. Twin bed, or we can set this up as a king, depending on your preference. Another air conditioning unit. Garden view bedroom. This is our front entryway. The door leading in. We will have a Kaba electronic lockbox here for entry. King bed in the master suite, as well as some beautiful laminate flooring. Additional lanai seating area directly off the master. The garden setting. Ample closet space. Single vanity. And then another walk-in shower. So once again, this has been a tour of Wailea Ekolu Residence 1605 at the Wailea Ekolu Resort here in South Maui. This is Jeremy Stice of Hawaii Life Vacations. You can find us at vacations.hawaiilife.com or inquire directly at mauivacations@hawaiilife.com. Jeremy Stice of Hawaii Life Vacations saying aloha from Wailea, Maui. Ahuiho.